Through some of the tricky questions that you expect in the topic indices. When you look at this question here, you're asked to solve for the value of m. It looks scary when you look at it, but it's a very simple question when you just give a little thinking on it. Like from this scenario, I can let 2 power of m to be equal to n letter, call it y. So that means I say that 4 all over y plus y minus 5 equals to 0. So if I multiply by y all through times y, each and every part times y, so that means this y and y cancels, so we shall be having 4 plus this becomes y squared, 4 plus y squared minus 5y equals to 0. So you can rearrange this in the form y equals to, that is ax squared plus bx plus equals to 0, that's the quadratic equation format, so that it becomes y squared minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0, the quadratic format, the quadratic equation format. So from here I can talk about the sum to be -5, and the product is AC, that is product to be 4. Then we can have factors, 2 factors, that if you add, give you -5 and you multiply gives you 4, it is -4 and -1 as the 2 factors. So if I factorize there, by factorization it means that y squared minus now 4, instead of this I replace with the 4y, then minus y plus 4 equals to 0. So here I take the 2 of them, that is y as a common factor, into y minus 4, then minus 1 into y minus 4 equals to 0. So this tells you that either y minus 4 and this, the outside is y minus 1 equals to 0. So this tells you that it implies that y minus 4 equals to 0, and therefore y equals to 4, or y minus 1 equals to 0, and therefore y equals to 1. But I know why, but y equals to 2 power of m. It implies that 2 power of m equals to y, which is 4, meaning that 2 power of m equals to 2 power of 2, and therefore m equals to 2. Or we say that y is 1, so 2 power of m equals to 1, and therefore 2 power of m equals to 2 power of 0. 2 power of 0 from the laws of indices equals to 1. So therefore m equals to 0. So m is either 0 or 2. M is 0 or 2. So it was a very simple question, but looks scary. Let's do another question on it. This is question 2. This one looks so much scary if you're asked to find the value of x. What you do in this case, first of all, if I can write this as 2 all over 3 power of x minus 1 equals, I can write this one, because I'm intending to have a 2 at the top. So this is the same as power of positive 1. And therefore, if from the laws of indices, we know that a power of -1 is the same as 1 over a. And a over b power of -1 is the same as b over a power of 1. So if we understand that, so this one becomes 8 over 27 power of -1. So if that is the case, This one I needed a 2 here. So it will be 2 over 3 power of x minus 1 equals to 2 power of 3 all over 3 power of 3 power negative 1. Remember, when you talk about 2 all over 3 power 3 can still give you, because you multiply the power in both numerator and denominator, it's the same as 2 power 3 all over 3 power 3. So you realize that this one can be 2 all over 3 power 3, but multiplied by the negative 3 gives you 2 all over 3 power x minus 1 equals to 2 all over 3 power negative 3. The base now are the same, and therefore the powers are the same. It implies that x minus 1 equals to negative 3. So x equals to negative 3 plus 1. X equals to negative 2. So that is what you are supposed to do to get the value of x. From using the 2, now I can give as an assignment a question here that 5 over 6 power of 2x minus 1 equals to 6 over 5 power of x minus 5. Can you do it using the principles that I've shown here, and make sure you find the value of x to be equal to 2. If you find the value of x to be equal to 2, then you'll be correct. If you find the value of x to be equal to 2, you'll be correct. Thank you for listening. Ensure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.